Hello, Paul. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out earlier and I told you that I was going to be sending the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site a little bit, one of your top competitors' sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic through your site. So, I will often send this video out, and when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that it would be a good idea for us to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. So it looks really good, but as you can see, there's not a ton of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking you based off of around 200 different factors. Content is going to be one of the key factors, and you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage alone. Your site, I looked it up, has 330 words. So we definitely want to add a lot more content in there, and we want that content to be quality educational content. Google is going to read through this, and they are going to determine whether or not your website provides their users with the right amount of content that is easy to read, that will help them find the information they're looking for or the services that they need with ease. And in addition to good quality content, we also want that content to be filled with the correct high volume keywords that will bring you in a lot of traffic. So over here, I'm on Google. The keyword phrase that I will be using for this video is mold remediation Philadelphia. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 350 searches per month. So if you were to snag a few of those as customers, you would be doing very well from just one keyword. And so right below, right above where the map pack is here, we usually are going to see Google ads. There are no Google ads with this particular keyword, but Google ads are generally a good way to get some recognition, get your name out there, and get in some customers while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. But you kind of exactly have to know what you are doing, or you will waste a lot of money trying. And long term, they're not going to be the best return on your investment. And so right here at the top of the page, under where the ads would usually be, we have our Google Map Pack. You definitely want to be up here if you can. You have to make it to the top 3. It used to be top 5 actually, but Google changed up the algorithm, so now you need to be top 3. And the way that you do that is through citations. And so citations are just when your business is listed on different directories around the web. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. These are all examples of highly trusted and highly used directories that we use all the time. And so you want to make sure that you have more citations on quality directories like that than these guys have. And so down here, we have our organic search results. So you definitely, number 1, want to be on here, most importantly, because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search something, this is going to be what they click on, or one of these search results, and they're almost always going to pick one that's at the top. So you really got to be at the top here. And so for this keyword, this guy is number 1. These directories aren't really going to count for the organic search results. So we can take a look. And as you can see, they have a lot more content. They are bolding, interlinking some good keywords in there. I actually looked them up earlier, and they have 1,277 words. So they're right where they need to be content-wise, which has definitely helped them. But the number 1 way that is going to help you get up here in these organic search results are by utilizing backlinks. And so backlinks you can think of as just a shout out from another website. The entire internet is just made up of businesses linking to businesses and websites linking to websites, and you want to get these backlinks from other local businesses that are relevant to yours and have good high-powered sites. So a local plumbing company or construction company with a good website that everyone knows and trusts would be a great place to get a backlink from for you. And so if you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest getting this right here. This is Ahrefs.com. It costs around $400 a month to use, but it gives a lot of really good information. And so we can actually take a look and see what keywords he's ranking for, how many backlinks, and how many domains. So we could look right here. On the left, we can see all the keywords that they are ranking for. As you can see, there are a lot. We can see how many people are searching that keyword per month. We can see how much traffic they get from that keyword, and we can see what position they hold for that keyword on Google. So we can go through here and kind of pick and choose which keywords would be good to add to your site. And so I can actually look at yours here as well. Here you are ranking for 90 keywords. And so you do have some good keywords like that bring in some good volume, and you rank pretty well for them, but the problem is that these are not very location specific. So you want to have keywords that have buyer's intent, meaning that, someone who's typing that in is almost most certainly looking to buy something. And right here, we definitely want to add in some more buyer intent local keywords. And so as for backlinks, I actually like to use this site a little bit more. They get rid of all the noise after noise reduction, you can see right here. So basically, if we were to go on Ahrefs, they give you a good idea of how many backlinks and referring domains. Like here it says 284 from 86, but this site will basically not count any of the spammy ones. So obviously they had a lot of spammy ones. And so this right here is trust flow, citation flow. You basically want a trust flow, citation flow of ratio of 1. As you can see, they are not close to that at all. So it'd be really easy to outrank these guys with backlinks. And here's yours. So you guys have a 20 and a 0. So we definitely want to add some more backlinks in there. And we want the backlinks to be high-powered, relevant backlinks. And we also want to make sure that you have way more backlinks than all of your competitors. Keep in mind that this was just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide. We want to outrank and blow out all of the competition out of the water for all of the keywords for each service that you provide. So that is what I have for you today. To recap what we went over is number 1 is going to be content. We want to add more content with relevant targeted keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number 3, relevant high-powered backlinks. So I hope that you got something out of this video, whether or not we end up teaming up. If you want to learn more or talk about possibly actually getting together and working on getting more traffic to your site, then you have my email. Please reach out, or you can call me. My number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.